Honestly, it looks bearish. Just might take a short here, honestly. Sweep yet. I'm going to trust my thesis. I don't have any news left, and honestly, it's already doing what I think it's going to do. Second time we've rejected the breakout, which is a lower probability trade. I think I'm going to add to my position here. That's a low probability breakout just because we've rejected twice. I know how it is. Good morning, good morning. What's up, LC? Morning, Ruben. How are you guys doing? Yo, today's chart looks bearish. I'm telling you guys, it looks bearish. Now, I did get chopped up a couple times because I kept on switching my position and everything, but overall, like, I'm feeling it, man. I definitely think bears are going to come today. I could see it on the VIX. I could see it on the NASDAQ. I could see it. We swept the highs of a liquidity level. Definitely a pullback in place right here. I think the pullback is going to be near 400s or 360s. 400s or 360s. I think maybe 400s. I'm going to try to scale into my position too. So I'm just waiting right now on the... You need to pass your apex? Yeah. Yeah. Slow and steady, man. You know? 1 mini at a time. I'm probably gonna try to hold on to my position here and add to it. If I see a sweep on 930 here, I'm gonna try to add to it on my 930 trade. Yeah. The only reason why I'm saying it's yeah, no more crap trading. I'm only saying shorts is because of this. My thesis is primarily on like longs usually, right? I like it. Look at this 15-minute breakout. Look at this push into VWAP. Look at this rejection. Generally on the second, on this rejection here, it should activate the move. Like usually it's a double bottom or like a higher low. Usually that would activate the move, right? But because that didn't do that and instead it created a lower low, this means that this price right here was the order block. This 15-minute right here was the order block. And right now this is the second push down. So I think this was the liquidity grab for longs actually. You can see that the volume on longs are pretty high here. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. I was kind of like jumping in and out a couple times because I saw this breakout, but honestly, I should have waited for the bigger picture before trying anything else. I'm going to try to be patient here for 400s because that is the prior support, and we're now breaking below the 105 moving average, which I'm probably going to jump out here. I'm going to wait for it to pull back on the 930 open, maybe around here, and I'm going to jump in shorts again. I will jump in shorts. And I'm going to jump in with some size too because I am pretty convinced at this point that this is going to fall out. There's no news at 9:45 or 10 a.m. So the probability of my trade working in my favor is much higher because with ICT concepts and also the gaps and everything, the probability of the concepts become lower when there's news at 9:45 and 10 a.m. But because today we have no news, I think it's very likely that we're going to sell off here. I don't think a lot of people are expecting that, but I'm going to follow the supply and demand concepts. And right now, this 520 level was definitely a demand zone. So, yeah, no more crap trading, Ruben. Honestly, I feel the same way, man. And to this time around, I didn't trade as much before 9:30 open. So I think that's already a good sign that I'm in the right headspace here, guys. See, we just cracked the low here, right? But I'm going to wait on open here and see a confirmation. If it cracks this low on 428s, I'm going to just swing it. Morning, Shelton. How are you? Yeah, the session is just starting, bro. I got a little bit early too. I jumped in shorts right here, and I jumped out right here, but I don't know what's going to happen in the next 2 minutes here. Either we get a nice bounce and a nice bounce here and then a dump. But right here, this is a pretty bearish start of 9:30 open, right? So I think we're gonna sweep right away. Maybe I might try it here with 3 micros or something like that. I'll start with 1 micro. Yeah, you know what? This is a good open in my opinion, so I'm gonna try it. Start with 1 micro. Maybe we just drop straight to 400s here on open. Morning, Q10. Long time no see, man. How are you, brother? You good? That's good, man. That is solid, dude. Okay, guys, this is looking great. I actually like the setup for morning shorts. You can see VIX right here, perfect triple bottom in a way. So I'm gonna wait on this candle here. Oh yeah, look at that sweeper. Right, we're gonna sweep below here maybe. We close below the 105 moving average, so I'm gonna give it some time here. And I want to see some fake outs, and then I'm gonna see a rejection on the open. All right, I'm gonna try one more here. There's no inefficiencies here, just saying. So I'll hold my stop all the way to the top if I have to, but this trade should work out for me. I'm watching VIX right now too. VIX right now is holding in place. VIX is holding in place, guys. I want to see this. I want to see it. If we crack this right here, this is going to drop. Yeah, you too, man. Have a green day. Opening range. Okay. You can see the sellers here. I can fucking see it. I can see some sellers, bro. There's some magic happening here, guys. I want to see it. I'm going to watch it and wait here. I'm looking at my targets right now for 400s, okay, guys? Nice sweep. I took off 1. What the fuck? Alright. I'm taking off another one here. Let's see 400s. I want to see 400s here, guys. My stop is break even, okay? Okay, wait. Less about taking pictures, man. Ah, don't stop me out, bitch. All right. Continue lower, bro. Go. Okay, liquidity. Where should I put this? I'm gonna give it some space because honestly, like, this trade is working in my favor. So this is the space, right? This is the open. So we're retesting the open now. I want to see them reject this open as well. And then move towards my target. Because there's no inefficiencies in the market at this price on the 15-minute. That's why like I'm sticking with this thesis for a little bit. We already actually retested the inefficiency before as well, so I don't know. Damn, they're going to go run it up, eh? Wow. That's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Why would they do that? Why would they do that? 125 points outside the range. And then immediately comes back inside. That doesn't happen usually, but this could be a pullback for that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just chilling out right now. Conference call? Nice. Pretty strong buying right there, guys. Like, man, that's a reversal, isn't it? Wow, they might run this whole thing, guys. You think? It might be possible. I don't know. A Teams call? Yeah. All good, Ruben. How long's your conference call for? I'm just waiting on the 2-hour close here, okay? Watching the 1 hour and the 2-hour close. If the 2-hour close stays red here, it's gonna retrace probably. It's just like one move up here, and basically this is just grabbing liquidity for another downshift. Because we did crack the low here, and statistically speaking, this is a trade for 1-to-1. So let me take a look at this position on shorts. If this is a short position on the close, we would aim for 50 points, right? And this was 69 points, so I don't know. Yeah. We'll see what happens here. Yeah. Interesting breakout. Jesus. What the fuck? What is happening, bro? Might be a couple hours, but I'll still be in chat. Just not trading pause with delay messages. No worries, man. Double bottom. Okay. We coming back up? Sure. VWAP retest here, and I want to see how it plays off VWAP. Honestly, it's looking pretty juicy, guys. Juiced. Wow. What the hell? Wow. Wow. Where did that... What was that? What is that? Is there new? There's no news today, man. What? No news, man. What was that? Algorithms, man. They flipped on right when it hit VWAP. Yeah, dude, that's so sketchy, dude. That's interesting to me. I've never, I've seen that before. This is the first time I've seen it like on the opening range more to the upside, right? After it's like it's actually holding the 105 moving average here. Maybe we actually break out. There's buyers in the market. This whole overnight session had a lot of buyers. So it might be choppy, right? Like this is definitely chop. And then count killer, 442s to 472s. Yeah, 30 points. Yeah, bro. That shit's crazy, dude. Crazy, man. But kind of mid right now, you know? I don't really know where it's going. I actually don't know where it's going. Just got to be patient, guys. Be patient. Rejecting the VWAP. VWAP rejection. Oh yeah, 105 and another VWAP rejection. 1, 2, 3. Third time, right, guys? Third time. I am going to flip the switch here, okay? I flipped the switch. I'm gonna stay like shorts are strong today still. So I'm gonna stick with short sellers here, guys. I want to see it come back down into the 36. All right. Let's see it. 400s. All right. Like to see the sweep here into 400s. Yeah. It's another liquidity grab from up there, you guys. All right. I'm jumping out right here probably. And then I'm going to see if I can get another entry here on the 15 above the range. That is an order block right here. This is an OB. Order block on the 15 on the 1 minute here. That is so nice, guys. Holy shit. Oh my god. That is so nice. What? There it is. Okay, I'm looking at I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna look at the Apex accounts. And I'm gonna swing here on the 15-minute break of the low. I'm gonna go for it. 15 micros. We got this imbalance here that they just retested, but I think we're gonna come down. So I'm gonna look for another entry here, and I'm gonna risk 6 micros. All right, 6 micros, stop of the highs, and yeah, I'm looking for a break of the low here, structure, and retesting 400s. There's also on the book map. On the book map, it shows an order at 400s as well. So something to keep in mind right here. 400s. Book map shows an order on 400s. There's also some on 412s right here. The 400s is for sure coming here. See if I can get a re-entry. Wait, let me try to see if I can get an entry up here instead. Okay, I was just sticking my short entry there. Conference calls at 10 a.m. guys. Come on. 10 a.m. is the best time to trade, guys. Come on. Right? You already know, dude. You guys see how easy this trade is? This is a very good trade plan. This is probably like my best trade plan for the day. I'm just waiting on it. I want to see it drop here. I'm looking at VIX as well. VIX is bouncing. VIX is bouncing, so that's a good sign. I want to see it drop here, guys. Just fucking flush, dude. Give me a dip. Right under the map. I like that it's breaking the order block. We just closed below this 1 minute fair value gap as well. So we just closed below. This is the order block, but the fact that we close in that range right here is pretty indicative to me. Really indicative. Come on, bro. Nah, okay. Gotta take some off here, guys. Right? Gotta reduce some risk. Don't like how that candle looked, but that was not bad, right? Yeah. 430s? Yeah, dude. Nice, man. Let's see, 400s, maybe lower. I don't know. Yo, it's coming, man. It's very slow. It's very slow, and that's expected, right, in the markets. But see, I don't know about that close. I don't know about that close, but to me, it's gonna be slow. You know, like it's good, man. 400s. Yo, if you drop another like 2 here, you could just like hold out for 373s, I think. 373s, man. Yeah. I'd be fucking paying myself right now with this stupid TPT Pro, bro. 400's tapped there, guys. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we broke through another level here. This could bounce right here. This could bounce. I know that they have a 2-hour OB at 322s, so there's 322s here, down at 322s. Yeah, down at 322s. 322s, man. There is an area of opportunity down here. Yeah, you want to see something, Ruben? Look at this chart, okay? Look at this chart, all right? I'm going to show you an exact replica of this day. You see that? It's literally the same day, bro. Except for this. This had more selling pressure, right? And this one had a little bit more consolidation here. And this one was a sweep for the most recent low, which is down here. So this could happen. This could happen today. Maybe 300s as well. This could be a big day. Today's Wednesday as well, right? So Wednesday has higher volatility. That was the 18th, March 18th, man. Wednesday has higher volatility. Just keep that in mind. So maybe we're just gonna continue selling here. Like, holy shit, it just keeps going. Yo, I actually might just flag it, bro. I might just go for a flag play here. I'm gonna wait on the pullback. I'm gonna jump in. This is definitely an order block right here. This is an OB, guys. 15-minute OB. So 15-minute, it's gonna come retest that probably. And then it's gonna continue lower, potentially. I want to see it sweep here on 364s before anything, so I actually gotta record my trades. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's just going, man. Look at 320s. I'd say 320s, man. I don't know why. Like, it's just dropping all the way now. I think 365s to start, and then probably a flip. All right, I'm looking for potential longs here. Okay, gotta look for a long. All right. I'm going to look for an execution. I'm going to look for a sweep of the higher time frame. I'm going to look for liquidity, okay? I want to see this right here as a primary level, though, to buy off of, potentially. I can tell that buyers are still in the trend a little bit. More buyers here than they were before. Let's see here. How do they play this? Right around the open here. Inside of the wicks and where the resistance are. You see how this was, right? It's right here. Right? What do you guys see right here? What do you guys see right here? Same thing. Right here. Nah, down here. Yeah. Okay. 360s. We just tapped here. All right. So I'm going to buy 1 micro. 1 micro here. This is 1 micro. I just watched it sweep here. We just swept. We just swept the low. I want to see buyers come back into the markets here. Lower than average volume, of course. Today is higher volume, but definitely a sweep of some sort here. All right. And I'm going to put my stop at the low of this candle maybe. I don't know. I want to see it run back up here to equal highs. All right. 390s. Give me 390s. Not really looking that great. All right. So I don't want to chase that type of trade, but maybe I'll wait for the green candle to come through first, and then I'll jump in. Let's see how this candle closes first. Yeah. Let's take a look at the daily range here. Now I'm looking at VIX. VIX is bouncing, kind of. Okay, we did not sweep that level yet, so I want to see it sweep this level first before considering longs. All right, so 29.91s here, so I think this is where I want to buy in this area here, 91s and under. So I'd say like 291s, probably like right here. This is where I'm going to buy right here in this area instead. All right. Yeah. How much is the ATR right now? Like, it's kind of low, right? Let's see the late ATR. It's currently at 30s, right? It's still pretty fucking low. So that's why, like, I'm expecting a bounce right here somewhere, guys. I'm jumping in Teams call, but I might take that buy with you. I'll be watching. I'll see you around, man. Nice sell-off. I'm waiting for the 10:30, probably 10:30. Maybe 10:30 here. How far have we sold off already? We are sold off exactly. We have sold off approximately almost the whole move here. On the 1 minute, we are starting to see signs of going into the London session. Yeah, we are definitely coming here into the London session here, guys. Okay, we have swept the order block. Order block has been swept. The ATR is still low. I'll start with the 10 here, and I'll see if I can hold on to this trade. All right. This is definitely a good entry compared to every other entry that I have. So ATR is low. I'm expecting obviously a fake out here on the shorts or on the longs, on the short sellers. I want to see it sweep the 340s here. I want to see it squeeze here to 350s. I want this one to be the order block. Just reducing a little bit of size here in case it goes wrong. Yeah. I'm going to start scaling into my position if this trade works out, okay? Yeah, because I'm looking at ATR mainly here on this trade. This trade shouldn't go any further than it already is at on a technical basis, so it's just kind of like no-brainer here. Okay, I'm gonna exit one trade here because it looks like it's kind of selling a little. I'm just waiting here. All right. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so we got a inside bar on the move already. Inside bar. And definitely confirmation of buyers is coming here somewhere. I want to see a sweep here. Back up. Yeah. I want to see a big push into, I would say 60s. 60s, 53s or 60s. I'd say 60s. Yeah, 60s for me. More of a push into that. Give me more of a push here, guys. Volume is nice. I want to see it. 355 to 363s here. Giving us some patience. Okay, stop loss at the low of this candle. In case it doesn't work out. I have my risk in place and I'm looking for my reward now. So I want to go for the first order block maybe here. On the left hand side, this is the first order block, by the way, on the 1 minute. So definitely some space here to retest this area of opportunity, 20,364.50s. We already actually filled the gaps to the downsides and the inefficiencies. So we just have one order block here and we can see that there's buying volume. So I'm just kind of sticking through this, trying to stick through with this trade. Try to stick through with it, buddy. Give it some time. This 5-minute candle. Got 3 minutes. I want to see a push here, guys. Push back up. I'm not going to let it go red. That's for sure. I will not let this trade go red. In case it fakes out here. And engulfing maybe. Yep, there it is. Okay. That kind of fucking hit weird. Shit. Okay, so now it's starting to look solid. Maybe I should start adding. Yeah, you know what? I think it's going to hit that. 364 is just hitting. I want to hit OB here. First trade, almost 30 minutes of patience. Yeah. That's good, man. I'm just being, I'm trying to be patient here too. I don't know what's up with 280s though. I think 280s will come, but looking at it, 300s is more of an efficient order. We got 300s as a level here. There's some orders at 300s, about 100 of them. That's kind of making me wonder here. 250s or 300s? Such a nice trade though. Yeah, it looks like it's just a pullback for another short sell. So I'm jumping in some shorts here. I'm gonna try it out here. 3 micros. I'm gonna aim for 280s, like I wanted, or even 300s maybe. 300s would be nice too. Stop loss at 356s. Candles turning red to green, green to red, I meant to say. Just a pullback and a fake out. I'm in 3 more. There it is. I got my stop here at 356.50s. I'm going to see it flush here. If it breaks this high, it's pretty much going to go higher then, honestly. I should expect it to run if it does that. But my consensus is that we actually crack the lows one more time here because of that strong selling pressure. And then afterwards, we come into a lower price here. So I want to see it flip red here into 320s. If it goes to 50% of this candle, I am going to get out though. I want to see it drop here into 300s, the order that's down there, or even 250s or 280s, because I know 280s is the low of the market here. This is the genuine low here, 290s. 290s is definitely the low, and I think that's the target that they have before they push it back up. They need to touch that, at least a double bottom or a wick out on the larger time frame. That's my goal here, guys. Larger time frame wick out is my goal on this trade. All right. It's taking its time though, but it's gonna go. And to really fend off myself in case it goes the other way, break even stop. It hit my stop. This is kind of looking, that doesn't usually happen there unless bulls are in control here. So we are now defending this range here. We are defending this range, which to me might be a bull pump here coming to run out the highs in a bit. Yeah, it does look like it to me now. That doesn't usually happen. Unless this is the bottom, right? That doesn't usually happen. What the fuck? Okay. Sorry. This is pretty nice. 5-minute close green as well. And right now I'm trying to see what the time is here. I like this, guys. I like this longs right now. I like how the longs are kind of looking in comparison to the shorts. I'm going to try this one. I got 5 micros on my Trading account. And I will see if I can hold this price here, guys. I think this is going to hold for some reason. I think this price is going to hold. Maybe. Kind of looks like it to me. And guess not. That's why I only got one micro in it. This one. Oh yeah, now we sweep it. Alright, 300's hit. Now what? 300's hit. Now what do they want to do? Let's see what they got. Engulfing, maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna take longs, man. This is definitely the bottom. Look at that close, man. Alright. So we got a left shoulder, right shoulder play. I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for this one. I think if we crack here, it's gonna run back up. 371s maybe. Yeah. Let's see a crack here. Give me a push right over that. Yeah. Did we sweep? No, we didn't. Okay, we swept here on the 5 minute though. On the 1 minute we did sweep. So I do want to see it come back up here. Volume is very high. But I like that. I'm going to try this one. I think this one would work out. This trade's going to work out. Yeah, this trade will work out. Waiting on the next candle here. Good risk to reward in the trade, honestly. The way it's moving doesn't look like it anymore. Yeah. You know what? I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait until it shows itself. 280s maybe. It's coming, man. It's like I'm not even using that much size. I'm just getting fucking cooked with like 5 micros. It's insane. I do want to see it swing back up here, for real. I think it will, but you know, maybe I gotta give it some space here, guys. Right. Gotta give this trade some space. It's doing the same thing like last time where I got caught in a long position and then right when it hit my target, then it flipped. So I'm gonna wait on this one this time. Yeah. I'm gonna to try 5 first, and then I'm going to go for 10 here. I'll do 15 total. Yo, you know what? This is a good spot. Much better than before. Yeah. Okay, I want to see a big push here. Right above everything, maybe 340s. If I can sell 5 here, sell 3 up here, and then sell 2 up here. That's my trade that I'm planning for. And I want to start jumping in more here based on what I know. Okay, we did break back above the range, which I love. Okay, I want to see a break here. All right. $290. Needs to sweep 290 first. I'm gonna go for 15 here. The ATR is decreasing. Okay. And I'll put a stop for 20 points here. Or for 4 or 5 contracts, I'll put a stop at 260s. Still flip green from my understanding here. Yeah. First double bottom here. Okay. Sellers are exhausted, it seems. Yeah, looks like sellers might be exhausted here. This might be the bottom here for me. I am going to add more here, guys. I added 4 instead here. And my last maneuver area will be at that level with a stop of 8. That's just me having to raw dog the formula. That's why this OB might work. Alright, so I got my entry. Let's see if it works out. Or I get stopped out. We'll see. Either this works out for me or it just ends up being a waste. I'm risking 20 points to make about 370s here, guys. If I can. If this trade washes me out, then I might just think that might be like one of those days where we just keep selling off. Right? It shouldn't wash me out here though, but if it does, then I guess I'm unlucky, and you know, maybe I did take too many trades today, but this is what I have in mind at the moment, so. Okay, it looks like it's just going. So yeah. All right, so that's hands off for me then. Next low, 228s, 230s. 228s, 230s. Let's see if I can get it. All the way down to 228s and 230s here. 230s maybe. Wow, this just keeps going, man. New York. When's the morning session done, bro? Are these guys like aiming to stop themselves out? The fuck? Crazy, man. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, so we're now in New York range, bro, from last week on the 24th. Yeah. Another area of opportunity for us to go long, so this was the area that worked last time, but how things are looking, I don't even want to take long anymore. From 300s down to 220s. Damn, dude. I don't want to buy this falling knife. All right. Let's try it here this time. Give me an engulfing candle, maybe? I don't know. That's with Apex, by the way. This one, I am going to look for 80s, man. Give me a push here. Up. 270s maybe. Honestly, yeah, Ruben. Crazy drop, right? Fucking wild, bro. It's a time to make money, though, for real. Like, I don't know how else to say this, but when you see volatility like this, you definitely want to add to your trade as it's going because it's going to be big swings. Right now, this is kind of looking like a 3-bar reversal to me, so I'm going to try to add to it and see if I can get into 270s here and then get that retest of the 13 moving average because we've been retesting it multiple times here. So I want to see if I can get that. And I like this nice little drop. It could be a right shoulder coming out pretty soon. If this is the bounce off of the New York session, then this will be a good trade for me. Let's see. Engulf that right shoulder. Yep. All right. So I just took some off there. You should have left my short for time. Yeah, dude. This one's hard, man. I don't blame you, bro. I fucking screwed this one up pretty hard. So, but I'm back in the green. So this one right here is like it's like this drop here. Like okay, yeah, you know, like I was expecting that drop, but I didn't expect it to drop through this level. I didn't expect it to drop through everything here. Like considering the fact that the volume's pretty low still, right? Like we're sitting at 40, right? We shouldn't be hitting a fat drop like that. You know what I mean? Like it's crazy how the market is, man. And all you can do is size down, right? All I can do is size down. Most people can do is size down. For me, I'm a size up. I'm a size the hell up. So this pullback is nice, you know, like this pullback is not bad. This is a pretty solid pullback. This one might come through here, guys. This one might actually go right through. I wonder if there's like the zombie run here to the order block, which is like right here. Like this one bounced right off this key, bro. I didn't expect. So this is the one. This was the key level here, right? That's why I had a buy limit under this one because I knew that they were going to sweep that, but I didn't really expect them to sweep this one either, you know? So I made a bit of a mistake there. Okay. I'm letting this zombie run now. I'm letting it do its thing here. I mean, on a technical basis, my trade Order area is not bad, right? It's not good either, for real. Like, maybe I took too many trades, you know? This is a little bit too much. Yeah. I had a good long position too. Whatever. Shit happens, man. Shit fucking happens, bro. I'll be right back. I need to go washroom. You know what's funny about this trend, right? This is the same thing. Like even before. Kind of funny that I'm looking at it now, right? Look at this. Um, Actually, man, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right? 3. But if you look at this left-hand shoulder here, this had a bigger dip before, and this one had less of a dip, right? So that's why it's not really in play. But this is technically the same thing. That's funny. This is technically the same thing. It washed out this low because this was technically the same thing as that. So that right here and this right here was, in conclusion, the best probable trade. Oh my gosh. It looks like a left shoulder though. I'm gonna remove everything so I can have a clean picture. I'll look for another buy here somewhere down in this range. I don't see a reason why not to take more shorts. I'll start with one. We rejected the order block here, right? So only one direction on this trade. The sellers did feel pretty strong. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, see if I can get a second fade in there. Somewhere here. Nice little imbalance on this rate alone. Right? Could try this level here. The volume has died a lot, so I am expecting a liquidity swap here. It's gonna bounce lower, and then come back up. I'm just really waiting for that double bottom, bro. Waiting for that double bottom. This one needs patience. I need to be patient with this one. $325. VIX. New York session. We swept the New York session. What are they going to do? I think London, Asian, and maybe the London and the lunch will try to sweep it lower here. Try to sweep it under to get their stop losses, because New York session stop losses are right here. Right? Crazy move for a New York session, to be honest with you, but 72s here. Oh yeah, okay, I'm added. Yeah, I'm gonna go for that. I see the volatility there. I see some volume on this. Let me see if I can catch some bread here, guys. See some volume on this move down. See the volume here. Give me some volume. See the fucking volume here. Shorts continue lower into 65s, 65s or something like that, maybe. Here. Let's see it. No. Yeah. Show me the blood. Don't like that rejection, bro. What? I don't really like that rejection here. What's up with the fucking data freezing? Anybody getting that? Or is it just me? What the hell? My data just freezing 24/7, bro. There's an OB level there. Alright, going for it, guys. Either my 5-minute gets respected here on the OB, or we suck at trading. $69. $69. $69. Another drop. Come on, sellers. All the way through. Retest this bottom. Yeah, we did dump a bit, bro. We didn't dump a bit. We dumped a bonkers, man. Like, they dumped this shit, bro. They dumped it, man. They really dumped it. Like, crazy, dude. They fucking flushed this shit, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow the trend, and like I'm not gonna overthink this trade because honestly, like, is rejecting the 5-minute. I could be wrong though. Honestly, I'm fucking stupid at trading lately. I wish I was smarter at trading, but I'm not, brother. I am just Full of shit here, guys. Best fake trader North America. Nice. Taking some quick scalps. Because I'm a scalp trader. I want to see it flush if I can. I'll be rich if it does flush, but I'll be broke if it goes up. Flush, I'm rich. Broke if I'm going down here, guys. Come on. Come the puppy. Hey, yo, market makers are sus. Yo, like, yo, tap on head, bro. Like, this is not this day, bro. Like, what is this ridiculous shit, man? That's crazy to me. I'm just not gonna play, man. I'm done. I'm not trading my take profit account, bro. This and oh, bro. What is that? Fuck. Shit, dude. $260s, man. Uh, you already know, guys. Call it being unlucky, dude. So funny. Nice reach. Goal reached. Congrats, Elsie. Congrats to you, brother. Yo, short. 30 shorts towards low of day. Maybe this order block right here. Yeah. OB, bro. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Yeah, shorts are playing though, man. If they're paying, why not, you know? Why not? There's only one level here, boys. Just patience. Tap it. Get me out. Just right here. It's just a small part of the pie, guys. It's like they showed up all that volatility and volume and then just like washed it out. Like it doesn't even exist anymore. You know, that's just like the most insane part to me. They could just be so thorough with all of it and then just be completely washed out. Like they're just gone. All the sellers are gone. Yep. Where's like the proper way to trade? It's gone, guys. There's no opportunities. Okay, I gotta record a few things anyways, so let's check over some stat sheet stuff here and see what I did right and what I did wrong and what I can correct in my trading. Okay, guys? Let's take a look. All right, already know my first mistake. Okay. We had the 45, the 5, the 5 minute, the liquidity, swept to high execution entry. This one was at very bad average, so I'm gonna wait for the best opportunity until 12 o'clock, I think. Because I did, you know, overtrade quite a bit today, and I didn't really trade the way that I wanted to. So obviously something's not right about that. I don't want to be like that, guys, on a real note. Buyers did come through here pretty strong, and we created a nice level for us to come back to. Okay, we got a lot of liquidity at 325s here. I don't want to go against the trend here, guys, for real. Like, I think we're going to bounce hard. So I might just stick longs now for the rest of the day. Let's see how... That might have been the sweep that we needed. And then it's possible that we come back to open. Like, look at the inefficiencies that we had on this entire left-hand side. And then just like the way it came down, there was no accumulation of any sort. This is the consolidation right here. This is definitely the resistance. I saw an algorithm pop on that. And then we have this little order block just sitting right here. To me, that kind of looks pretty suspicious, right? Pretty suspicious for longs to play out today. That might be it. A little wonky W as well, right? Wonky. Yeah. All right. If anything, if I could get a nice little continuation, because on this type of day, it wouldn't have bounced, right? Like this right here was not a bounce. This was not a good bounce on the day, and we consolidated sideways and just chopped, right? This one has more cleaner swings. We can see that we're consolidating, but after we consolidate, we break outside of the range. Then we come back into the range. So this was a consolidation. We broke outside of the range. We came back into the range, and then we went to equal highs. Wait, like, if it comes back to VWAP today, I would not be shocked because we've been coming up to VWAP multiple times, right? What do you think is going to happen today? Might do the same thing. So I'm going to take a long here, maybe. If it works out, honestly. I think I might try it. I'm going to try longs here on this dip. I would like to see it climb back up to prosperity. Maybe like hit up here 352s or something like that. Yeah. $308s. I'm gonna go for it. Looking at this one right here, it looks like a possible engulfing forming. Right, we got a small doji, like an indecision doji. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna fucking go for it. I'm just gonna do it. No need to cheap out on longs when you see it like that, right? Midday rally. 10:30 until like 12 o'clock kind of thing. Maybe. Come here. Boot up, boys. All right. I mean, like the 5-minute close outside of the fair value gap here, right? Who's to say that this trade won't work out here? Pretty straightforward, no? All it takes is one good direction is what they say. Now, this one right here is an order block on the 1 minute, right? This one, sorry, this red candle, is an order block. And we couldn't close above it either. So we're now sitting inside of that order block, right? But if we break out of it, retest it, this might be a good long entry. And there's also one just right here, which is inefficient. They might come back here to retest, depending on the circumstance. Then we have one more right here. Hmm. My neck kind of hurts today. Oh, it looks good, man. Maybe I'll just hold it. Buy and hold. Just buy, buy, buy. $105 is retested multiple times overnight. VWAP is retested multiple times at night. All right. Let's just remove that for now. We are inside of a consolidation zone. And we cannot break above it. We sweep under 53s here. Interesting. Second order block that they did not fill. What's the setup? What is the setup? I actually don't know. No. Well, this fucking staircase is going up. Shit's flying, man. You know, it's kind of showing me signs it wants to pull back here. I think it will. Come back to retest 280s here. Definitely want to take a short. 280s would be nice. About to blow up my head, babe. Today is that kind of day. My brain is blowing up. It looks easy. It actually looks easy to trade, but something like this just looks really straightforward on the left hand side to the right hand side. Like, I don't know what else to say, man. Like, that kind of means something to me, though. Might be might be a little bit fearful here. Ooh, some confluence, 340s. That's interesting, right? Some confluence here. Yeah, I just know for a fact though, if I buy this, I'm gonna be down. That's why I'm kind of like a little bit frustrated because I know if I buy this and I put my stop here, it's gonna get stopped out. So what are we trying to adjust to here? That's the question, right? If I buy it here, will I get stopped out? Probably. If I don't buy it here, it'll go without me. Frustrations, dude. Wow. Trader paralysis. Synchronize them? Oh. The hell? I didn't even know they were synchronized to begin with. Oh no, the reason why I don't synchronize them is because when I draw out these bull channels and everything, like, they don't work. Like, I don't know, it's just, it just looks weird. That's why. How are you doing, Elsie? You doing good? Price action's a bit funny today, you know? A little bit funny. Like, the volume died so quickly there too. It's just kind of surprising to me. Like, volume's high. It is a little bit higher today. So like, we got 38. So it's times 2. So 226 to 312. That's about 76 points, right? This right here is about 80 points. So we're kind of coming close here, right? We're coming close here for sure. Maybe one more trade. Me too, man. I'm thinking the same thing. I'm like, one more trade, one more, just one more. You know, like, it's there. It's just, if I take it, I'm gonna lose. If I don't take it, I'm gonna lose. It's just stupid, right? You know, like, I'm looking at it, I can tell. Like, I know for a fact it's. But you know what? Positive, positive mindset. I think shorts will play out here. For real though. I think they would because there's an OB here. Like this looks like a reasonable order block, but the risk portfolio on this trade is going to be high into this wick, which is at 356, right? So right now I'm risking 356 if I take a short now, and that's not going to be good, right? I want to take a short when it's up here at this price. That's the best time. Yeah, I want to take a micro, but here's the thing, right? I want to take a trade where I don't have to stress about it. I could just let it do its thing, you know what I mean? I just want to have a good trade, and I think right now this is a trade entry around 356. If I go long here, it's too late, right? I should have went long down here. And down here, I actually got a long entry down here, but it's just kind of a little bit sketchy, right? Okay, I like that. I definitely like that. Crack of the highs with an immediate rejection, right? Right back inside. And this is on the 5 and this is the 15, right? What are your thoughts on this trade here? An immediate sweep, right? I like this. I'm going to take a short on that. I'm going to take this for a scalp. Maybe a scalp. Yeah. Up to 286s. That's what I want. 286s in this trade. And see, immediately in the red, like, it's just not really showing me like it wants to go lower, right? Mm. It's hard, man. Today's hard. Should see some sort of rejection here, though. Because we got a couple confluences. We're retesting a prior candle wick. And on the 15 and the 5 minute, we have an order block here. Just right here at this price. This is the order block that we're looking at. These two ones. So this trade could play out right here for me. This trade could play out for me. If it does play out, I make $127.50 off of this. My risk is the prior high. This might be a re-entry here, you know? Nice candle rejection there, right? Definitely a nice candle rejection. I'm not going to add to my position, though. I'm not going to add. I'll play a rejection between 19 and 24. If anything, like, it should be a wonky sell here. Like, this is kind of like a head and shoulders here. Anything, I would like to see it pull back here. On a real note. It would be nice to see it pull back here. Show me the sauce. Pull it back. Let it drop. Should I martingale it? I'll play the rejection. There is my new interest zone for scalp and DCA. 19 and 24. 19 and 24. That's a good area, man. Definitely a good area. Look, I'm looking at it like this now. That's an area of resistance. Maybe. I want to ignore this part. I want to look at this as a confirmation here. This is like the area of consolidation. I like that. I like the way it's looking. 303s to 282s, 283s. I'll probably go for here, 286s. That's like the prior wick too, like prior body here. So it's like within the range, you know? That's what I think. This is not bad. Probably 2 levels here. And it looks like it's rejecting both of them. Might be double the resistance here. We got double the resistance here. I want to take it. I want to take another one. I trade one if rejection, good. If not, I'll add DCA until rejection. Quick scalp. This is not bad, man. I like this one. I like my chances on this trade here, guys. Right here, retest the lower break of the 13 moving average. VWAP's very far, very far. I would like to see it drop instead, but we'll see how it goes here. Sellers are interested because right after we broke out, we could not break the high. That is telling me a bigger picture here. I'll look at VIX. VIX is kind of dumping, but it's also in an area of opportunity. And I am going to definitely exit this trade on a loss here. If it doesn't flip here. Okay. I saw the volume come through a bit. No? Lucky? Oh shit. Alright, maybe that was my trajectory here. I should get out right at the... Ooh. Is that an SMT? Some heavy resistance here. Just between these order blocks. I can see it. But, what a headache. I want to see it dump here. Too many rejections of this high. But it just keeps going and going and going up higher here. I'll let this trade be my last trade here for taking shorts. I'm going to sweep long. Okay, so I'm in. Let's see if I can get a nice squeeze here to 325s. And then we're going to run it on shorts. There it is. I like that break inside of that zone. I want to see the squeeze now. Okay, show me the squeeze here, boys. Squeeze it right into 105 moving average. All right. 316 to 326. Really quick here. 326. I like the breakout. I want to see it run now. Instant rejection, huh? Yeah, I'm going to hold on to that trade maybe here. I want to see it run up. That was definitely the short entry maybe. That's a fucking crazy trade, bro. Shut the fuck up. No way. Fuck me, man. I'm tired of this. What the hell, dude? Really? So choppy, guys. So choppy. Right? Sure about that? Doesn't look like it anymore. That is definitely a liquidity sweep here for a break. I want to see it go here. 325s, maybe even higher. Because it doesn't look like it's rejecting, bro. On the 1 minute here, it looks like it wants to sweep higher. I think it might sweep for the 105 moving average or higher here. This could be a good area. Oh, God. Okay, I'm going to hold this one. Let it go. It does. I'm going to let this one ring. This one zip out. This one's going to rip down. Let it drop more here. Let it play out a little bit longer here. I'm going to let this one play out just a tiny bit longer here. All right, back in the zone. Back in the zone. All right. Area of interest right now, 20 to 65s for me. Or even lower, maybe. I need to let it play out. Let me wash out here, guys. Even under this point here. Yeah. All the way in here, maybe. Couple order blocks. 86 and 80. All right, Elsie, I'm gonna take your advice on this one. I'm taking your advice on this one, bro. All right. All right, I'm gonna take a couple off here. There we go. Oh, so funny. All right, bro. Yep. Give me that. Man, like my shorts were not bad, man. I had a good entry. It's just good old me, man. All right, that's a good one. I had a good entry, bro. I did. But I got scared out. That sucks. I'm gonna do what Travis does best. You know what they say? This is what Travis does here, right? You got that little area of opportunity, the order block, and then he'd be like, "Woohoo! Let's buy the dip." This is what he would say every time. Look at that run. Funny guy, man. I'm gonna do that too. Trust me, I'm gonna buy the dip for sure. I'm not gonna let it go against me because I know that like on days like this with a big sweep, there's no news today. So even if we were to like technically this is where it will bounce, there's a good risk to reward based on some of the ICT concepts that I've been learning. So if anything, this should be the one that pays me here because we got a nice swing, but it's kind of like, you know, my stop is apparently the low of this wick, and yeah, that's not going to get hit apparently, according to the ICT strategy here. I just want to let it play out. Yeah, this is a candle wick manipulation right here. This is a manipulation for sure. And look, now it's swept me out. It's gonna run back up. Obviously, right? I'm gonna go for the long again here, dude. Swept me out. Unlucky, dude. Super unlucky. I think I might blow this account up, to be honest with you, but I don't know what else to say, bro. Yeah, see, I got swept out, bro. That's unlucky. Ugh, that sucks, bro. That actually sucks, man. On a real note, that shouldn't have happened, but... See, I fucking had that feeling, too. Damn it, bro. I hate, like, getting set back by these stupid moves, man. Trying to aim for that daily payout. OCB right here. This is an order block area. So this might be a nice short entry here. I'm going to go for shorts, and then I'm going to try to swing it back down here. Because we got another order block just down here. Right here, dude. That looks really nice, too. Look. Lower high. Lower low. Lower low. Maybe a continuation, actually. It might be the day where we get a continuation downside. Yeah, look. Nice climbing accumulation of buyers that got caught. Yeah, dude, this is good. It's not bad, man. Yeah, it's not a bad trade. I'm going to stick with my shorts here. I'm going to stick with my shorts here. It's not really a bad trade. This is a very good trade for me. This is a very good entry. Very solid entry. Based on my couple of my strategies here, it's a really solid entry. Actually, yeah. Gonna give it some time. %34% are long. Man, I could be wrong, honestly, but I'm kind of looking at the gaps now. This is gonna fill lower one more time. In my opinion, at least 10 points here. Because we just had like a ridiculous breakout, and this is the pullback. Structured pullback. Right, we had a nice breakout, and this is a structured pullback. So I want to play out with this strategy here. And then we're going to drop here. Drop into 600s. Yeah. Scalp, 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 scalp. That's what Travis says. That's funny, man. It's like one of my buddies that I used to like watched a stream like 2 years ago, and this guy only scalped, dude. This is crazy. But I gotta do the same, bro. Like maybe today is the type of day where I can't hold on to winners. I don't know. I can tell that I'm really bad at holding on to winners today. It's not no, it's not that I'm bad at it. It's just the opportunity shows itself, and then I miss the opportunity. Yeah, trading with Travis, bro. Those were the days. He loves scalping, bro. It's like his middle name. You know, like I want to do it, man. I really want to do this. Play the game of shorts here. Just flush it all the way down. Staircase down, right? Fuck, like it looks good. Yeah. Haikanashi. His favorite candles, bro. Let's see what it does here. I want to see that. All right, well, based on the Haikanashi theory, since we're in the red, we will short with the red. And this looks like it could break out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, look at this setup here. It's really poor setup. Poor, Poor. Very bad. Very poor setup for longs. I don't want to get caught though, so I'm gonna wait. Just wait it out a little bit, and then see what it does here. 1 hour and 4 hour to get the moyo of the market. Yeah, moyo. What's a moyo? Okay, so we got the 5 minute green candle with a obvious wick here, obvious wick into the gap here, and then now it's kind of showing signs of rejection. Oh, you're getting a hunch of the market, yeah. Man, trading's hard, dude. It's never easy. Like actually hard. You need a lot of drawdown, bro, to trade even like 3 micros, 2 or 3 micros, and let alone like right now I'm trading with like 2 to 3 micros, but it's not really giving me what I want out of it. So right here's another entry. Like I like how they close the gaps here, so there's no inefficiencies for them to come back up, right? The only gaps they have is the top side, but it looks like the market right now is in a deeper downside range at the moment. You can tell right here. Like just at this point, I could tell this is bearish, guys. Like this is actually very bearish on the day. I think we could flush through. Maybe we get a continuation today to 20,143s because the ATRs right now light 20,143s. And where's this? Prior high. Today is the initiated sell-off day, and they're setting up for a trend here to continue lower. Seems reasonable to me. I actually wouldn't be shocked if I took a short and this worked out. This nice engulfing on the 15-minute, right? It closed underneath. Yeah, I got a hunch that this is. I got a hunch, bro. I got a hunch. Micros. Is Alcie's thing Ruben? No, wait, he trades minis, right? Oh yeah, 8 micros. No, 8 micros. What about you, Ruben? Do you use micros or do you use minis? I got a lot of trades clocked in today, bro. What the fuck is that? Crazy, man. I'm trading like a madman today, guys. I'm scalping the hell out of it. But I wanna get like to payout time, you know? I wanna be like get to the payout. Payout time. Pretty bearish, right? Another falling trend here. Pretty obvious. Fail of like definitely the consolidation. Yeah, dude, I'm taking short here, man. I like if I don't take it, I am tripping out, man. Right? Where is it? Go to the last. There we go. If I don't take this short, I'm tripping out, man. Ultra Scalpin Minis. That's my middle name. Give me something easy. Give me the money. Drop right here to the golden zone. Yeah. I like the break here on the 5, on the 15-minute and the 5. Yeah, I think we're going to sweep it. We're going to get another new low here. I hate the bodies on how this looks. Give me a full flush. Full flush. Give me a dump into hell here. Woo! Dump it. Dump it. Toe to toe, bro. Babe, I'm like fighting a war today. Oh, their place? Is it today that you're going? Why don't you just go then? Just wear a mask. Your sister coming? Yeah, they're nice people. They don't care if they. Oh, I'm just eating a banana, guys. Nothing crazy. Looking like a Head and Shoulders? Yeah, dude. This Head and Shoulders might play out. Look how bad this trend looks. I'll be honest with you, I could probably jump in with like 30 micros here and it's gonna pay. Yeah. I might, dude. I might actually jump in shorts here. Let's just run it down. This looks like it's about to break. Yeah. It looks really bad on the daily. There's another level at 2158, so it's like I'm kind of wondering here, like look at them walk it down. They did that before, and look what the hell happened. Got the sweep of the highs and then a sell off. But there's no gap here to play into, which makes me believe that and like I don't know. You know, it's funny that Head and Shoulders play out really well. They do. On some days they play out really well. On FOMC days, like usually days after the FOMC, it'll play out. Then you also have Ruben. Let me tell you this one. This one's actually pretty well known. Everyone knows this one. You know those pennants and stuff, right? When pennants break out, generally they'll run to the support and then they'll inverse. You'll get a lot of those as well. So any sideways pennants that you see, most of the time they'll break out and then they'll go in the opposite direction. And they do that on FOMC quite often. When it's like when the market is trending higher, it's crazy, bro. It's just like you get the fattest dump in the world. And they love to do it overnight too. So if you see like a pennant in the middle of the day, like a 1 day pennant, like it took the whole day to trade this pennant, you can safely short the overnight and probably make money. And this is kind of similar to it. Yeah, this right here. Shit, it's like literally right here. This is a pennant, bro. That's a pennant, right? You get a breakout. This is the fake out, and then immediate sell off. But yeah, that's like, I love this one. Now, this I kind of want to like, I want to run it shorts. Where's her place anyways? Pia's place. Huh? Scarborough? So it's not gonna take you long to go there anyways, right? It's not that bad. Yeah, Vix is bouncing, bro. I won't lie to you. I'm trading really poorly today, guys. Super poor. Just going. What time is it? 11:49. You know what? I might be happy with $100 too. I traded like shit today. So it's like trying to climb out of a drawdown, right? It's the same idea. Trying to let me think of this account as I'm trying to pass it, right? If I'm trying to pass this account, what would I do? Interesting. I'd probably be jumping in shorts right now, honestly. Saying that it's gonna hit the bottom. I know I would do that. Selling pressure is there too. Yeah. Nice falling wedge. Yeah, they're just running it down. Pretty much they're gonna crack the lows here, huh? So I don't see why, like, they're gonna crack the lows here. Might as well jump it, right? Jump on the boat. Show me a flush. 220s, I think. Maybe. I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it do its thing. All right. Nice trade. Crack the lows. Walk away and forget about it, you know? That's funny. All right, we're gonna go for it, guys. Like, this is holy shit, man. Like, what the fuck? Where are we going? It's really, like, you can see this pattern. Like, look how this is not a clean pattern, right? This is probably the most obvious one that I've ever seen, but it's like that's pretty obvious, you know, like, and that's my problem, you know. Just not right, not the right idea here. Like, I took shorts here, but too tight of a stop loss, and yeah, I guess that's what happens. So where the hell are we going? We're definitely going here. This is where we're going, right? This is a pretty big day. Pretty solid sell day. But now that we sweep the low, I will take a short or a long. We were definitely coming back up right here. I think I've seen this enough times to know, though, that okay, I'm gonna look for the break upside here. See the bounce of some sort. I think around 210s. Yeah. You know why I had those orders there, Ruben? Because usually after the break of structure, it's about 50 points to the downside on the break of structure of where your dip buy entries should be. They do this all the time. Like, so often, it's crazy. Always 50 points below the range. And then they do some sucker shit, and then they sweep the hell out of it, and then they come back down. That's why I had my orders opened up on 170s, because it's like about 50 points down from the break of the structure. But it doesn't mean that I won't jump out of this trade if it doesn't work out, so. I just know the market's been pretty funny lately. I'm watching the VIX, right? VIX is doing a perfect bounce, like I expected. And I was talking about that in Travis's group as well, so it's kind of like no-brainer. Yeah, a little bit of a 2209s at least here. It should be the range right here. Give me a little bit of a bounce, boys. Give me some bounce. A little bit of bounce. Market makers. Market makers. Make it easy. Make it easy for me. Okay. Add minis, bro. Just add minis. Nothing more. Spam the shit out of longs, bro. I'm a buyer. Beep 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 beep. You know, like there's a gap right here too. Like maybe like we do fill the gap here. I don't know. That'll be real wild to see, guys. If we see that sell off today, like no news sell off, happens, man. But still pretty crazy. Some people are so crazy with trading on Apex, man, with these 250K accounts. It's unbelievable. Actually unbelievable. There it is. Dip buy. I know. What a fall, right? It's kind of funny, to be honest with you, seeing stuff like this. Come on. Go, buyers, go. Go nines. Do you think it just keeps going? I don't think so. I think this is just a pretty classic VIX day, man. VIX always does this. Flip green, my friends. Go, buyers. Buyers are so funny, bro. I made money on that trade, I'll see. That trade was a perfect fill. Not for the moment. They are resting and accumulating for a while. Yeah, the volume's increasing too, so maybe I'm on the wrong side here. But I don't know. I think the max side probably risk is, yo, take this in, man. Okay, I had to ask myself, why am I longing into a trend? No? That's a good question, right? Why am I longing into this trend, guys? What am I longing for? Trying to catch that falling knife, huh? What kind of knife am I catching here? Pretty sure I should probably look at 120s still. Oh, is this the knife? End of the knife. This is an order block right here at 166. That's probably why it bounced, right? 15-minute order block before the pump. That was like the biggest volumetric move that they had back then. If you're long on the downtrend, it's for a bounce or a quick scalp. Quick scalp's prone to better results. Yeah. I'm trying to get a good quick scalp in here. 2 tens. Yeehaw, bro. Back to the moon. Should be equal highs here. Equal highs. Or maybe less than equal highs, but it's going to be here. Taking one off. Last one right here. All right, I'm out on that trade. Weird game, man. Honestly, guys, like right now, it's technically a really bad time to trade. Very bad time. So you can see over here, right from the breakout, that was about how many points here? Right on that breakout, the low, about 60.75 points, right? Outside of the range. And this right now on the day, right, is 370 points. Now, I was expecting at least 200 points on the day, right? So this right here was almost guaranteed, right? Right when we saw this breakout here, honestly, like my target price should have been 200 points on the day. I think that was my mistake, guys. Like, honestly, I took a short at a very good level. Like, I really did take a good short, man. I fucking took my short right here. I took 4 contracts micros on the Trade Evade account, and I was risking for this on the 2-hour chart. I was risking this. I was looking at this short sell area, right? Risking 50 points, or no, not even that. I was in here 75 points to make 166 points, and that's literally like what I was looking for today as well. And I posted that in Travis's group and everything, so if you saw that, then you know. But this was because it was a 2-hour. This is a 2-hour OB, and we also respected this fair value gap right here. If you can see that right here, that's a fair value gap, right? So we had multiple closes on the 2-hour chart, which gave us a lot of confluence for a short sell day. And obviously I didn't really trade as good as I wanted it to, but that kind of tells us that we might just sell off until we hit this specific block right here, this other OB right here. This is another 2-hour OB. Yeah. So, you know, I didn't really trade the best, man, honestly. Like I had the thesis and everything in that trade. Had the thesis planned out, everything was planned out. Sometimes trading is just like that, man. You might plan something ahead of time and know exactly what's going to happen, but it's like trading is just a whole new game sometimes. Sometimes trading will do that to you, right? Now, on my Apex accounts, I did pretty good. Like $500. Didn't take that many trades, to be honest with you. Took some shorts here. I took a long here, like a dumb, and this was my short entry right here. And then over here, I took some longs. It failed. I immediately went longs on the second dip here. I basically cut out for break even in a way, and then this one right here was longs, and that hit. So, you know, it's not the best. It's not bad either. Honestly, it's a combination. But what can I do, guys? All I can do is trade, man, until it works. Now, I want to be a long trader here, though, for real. I think this is a good long area. What do you guys think? I think this is the area of interest, guys, for longs. Like genuine interest, like strong buyers. So I might even consider it. I might take another long here. And go for, I will go for a long here somewhere. I'm gonna do it. Look at this. This is nice. This right here is definitely a nice retest of the order of the fair value gap, right? And we came in 92s, and we could get out at 202s here. Why long? Because think about it, man. The market is oversold. Market is oversold. Market's been oversold for more than 3 weeks, right? What do you think would be the best option here on a big day, an opportunity like this? Probably longs. Larger time frame also tells us a bigger picture too, right? We're oversold, man. If anything, I'd be a dip buyer. This right here was consolidation. We broke outside of the consolidation. We're coming back to potentially retest the consolidation. So I'm kind of thinking about it, you know? I think that's reasonable, right? And it's only 12 o'clock. It's only 12, man. The ATR is, much higher than usual, which, now it's kind of telling us 80 points within the 80 points per candle, right? But if this is a left shoulder, if this is what I think it is, this is a left shoulder, and we might form a right shoulder here, and we might come back up. So I want to be considerate of my entry criteria here, right? If longs come through, they will come through strong. This was an early entry on longs, but this is going to be a perfect entry for longs. That's what I think of it, man. If I were you, interest area 90 and 110. Even better. Yeah, so this is an area of interest for me. I'll be looking at longs in this area. Yeah. I will be looking at longs in that area. Funny, eh? Don't worry, Elsie. You don't have to say much for me to be convinced, my guy. Today, you're up 1,500. Today, I'm all over the place. Fuck, mate. I'm right? What do you mean? Wouldn't you prefer to be a buyer? You know what I mean? I'd prefer to be a buyer, bro. Yeah, it's not a bad interest area. That's why I'm kind of thinking about it. It's like 12 o'clock, right? Like, when was this reversal? 10:30 was the reversal period, right? We got that reversal. We got that dump. Now, will it dump till the end of the day? I don't know. Maybe. But I'm done, man. I'm already done trading. It's already 12:15. I'm up $361 on the pro account, and I'm up $500 on the Apex accounts. I didn't really take that many trades on Apex, luckily, but I took a lot on this one, guys. Like a ton. Holy shit. So much. But that's okay. You know, that's okay. That is perfectly okay. Maybe it's better to actually look at this right here. You're right, though, Elsie. Because look at we have the Asian session here. They were shorting the Asian sessions. They've been shorting at the highs here, right? So they got two short entries. They're in the green now. If they come here, they're gonna start covering their position, right? Because they're gonna be break even on this one. The buyers that are here, they're gonna get stopped out maybe. So Asian sessions are the ones that won this time around. Yeah, you too, Elsie. Enjoy the rest of your day, man, and take it easy, eh? Super stressful, but tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better, right? Tomorrow will be better. Today might be good too. So, looking at both opportunities at the moment. This looks really clean. When will the buyers like? I don't. Maybe the buyers aren't convinced yet, right? Could be the case where buyers are not convinced yet. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I think I'm done for today, and I'll probably hop on tomorrow, take as many trades as I can as well. And yeah, I did much better than I thought today, so sometimes that happens. And I didn't take as many good trades as I wanted to, but anyways, enjoy the rest of your day, y'all. I'm gonna hop off and do my thing later.